Hello friends, welcome to the today's session, how to win an argument. Dear friends, what do you mean by argument? If someone is doing argument with you, do you think you will be happy with listening to his words and all the chaos? No. But if you are doing an argument with someone who is not in a position to listen to you, what is going to happen? That person is wasting your time, and that time is very valuable for you. Dear friends, so we are going to understand three important principles about how to win an argument. Never argue with a fool. You may not be able to tell the difference. It means if you are arguing with a fool, you will also be considered as a fool. And for that purpose, dear friend, don't become a fool by arguing with a fool. Second is very important concept, that is most conversations are simply monologues delivered in the presence of a witness. Dear friends, if someone is arguing with you, he is not in a position to listen to you. And dear friends, if you want to become successful in your life, make sure you avoid such arguments and save your time. Moving ahead with understanding these arguments, what are the different types of arguments? The very first is argumentative, that is aggressive type. Someone is trying to push the point hard. Second is like complaining type. Someone is complaining all about the non-productive things in the happening and no control over those situations, and that person is complaining and wasting your time. So you have to avoid this type of argument also. And third and very important, that is misinformed or confused type of argument. Dear friends, if you are not having a full information and still you are believing some beliefs, and that time you are arguing, your beliefs are baseless. And because they are baseless, you are not going to win an argument, but you are wasting your as well as someone else's time. And for that purpose, you have to identify these principles which will add an value to you to win an argument. Dear friends, first principle is very important, to understand the people who are involved in the communication, because people want to be heard and to have their opinion acknowledged. If someone is listening to you, it means someone is wanted that his point is good, his point is helpful, and that same thing if you have not done, people will start making an argument. So make sure people want to be heard and to have their opinions acknowledged. So thank you for watching this video, and we will be solving your problem very soon with the second principle, that is people want others to understand how they feel. Say for example, if we talk about the feelings, our heart and our brain is having some connection which will allow us to understand our own feelings only. But if we want to able to understand other people's feeling, they will be giving you a good response. Third and very important, that is explanations are the waste of time with those who merely want to argue or to complain. Dear friends, अगर हम सो रहे हैं तो हमें जगाना आसान है, अगर हम सो रहे हैं तो हमें जगाना आसान है, बट अगर हम सोने की एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं तो हमें जगाना किसी को भी मुमकिन नहीं है। तो इसी प्रकार से अगर कोई आपको आर्ग्यूमेंट करते वक्त एक्सप्लेनेशन मांग रहा है और आप उसको एक्सप्लेनेशन दे भी रहे हो, वो काफ़ी जेन्युइन भी हो सकता है, पर वो एक्सप्लेनेशन आपके किसी काम का नहीं, क्योंकि उसने उसके मन में वो धारणाएं, वो विचारधारणाएं बना के रखी है जो आपको आर्ग्यूमेंट की वजह से आपके टाइम को वेस्ट करने वाली है। तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो यहाँ तक अच्छा लगा तो आप इसे लाइक कीजिए, और आपके कुछ कमेंट्स हैं, आपके कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो हमें कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइए। दोस्तों, ये तो सिर्फ 3 प्रिंसिपल थे, बाकी जो प्रिंसिपल्स है वो हम देखेंगे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।